Hello, everyone, and welcome to a day in my life vlog. If you're new here, hi, I'm Camille, and this is my dog Chia. I'm 28 years old, I live in the Philippines, I work full time as a pharmacist, and I like filming some parts of my life, such as this video. I hope you will enjoy this vlog.
The good news? Our advances in gene splicing have opened up a whole new frontier. We've learned more from genetics in the past decade than a century of digging up them.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday and I wanted to do a day in my life with Chia, my dog. Right now it's around 2:30 p.m. and I want to take a nap. I did a bunch of things this morning. I watered the plants in our garden, I showered Chia, I took a shower, I ate breakfast and I ate lunch. banana bread, chocolate chip, walnut, banana bread. After all those things that I did, I felt tired, so I want to just lie down. So I'm now on my bed. I think I'm going to take like a 30-minute nap and then come back and film the rest of my day.
What happened was Divine Mercy Sunday, unforgettable. The very first time I had a vertigo attack. Ano yung call it? Muntik na akong bumagsak dun sa altar.
Let our descension issue from is be there.
She looks so cute. I'm getting sleepy. She likes it when I